This is the 3-bedroom unit right here. This one goes to 255k. That's correct? Starting at 255. So this is the smaller one. Other bedroom. Construction is ongoing on the property. We're in Ocho Rios, St. Anne, Jamaica, and we're heading to the Hosanna Estate development there in Beecher Town. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's a busy afternoon here in Ocho Rios. Let's see how quickly we can get onto Milford Road. Again, let me know who's watching this video and where you're watching from. This is Milford Road we're on now. There it is saying Hosanna Estate, phase 1 now selling. Let's go. Welcome to Shaw Park Gardens, Top Milford, Shaw Park Heights. So this is the area we're gonna take on, straight up the hill. I'm seeing the sign saying Conoco Falls. Could drive on the right there to go to Conoco Falls. So I'm seeing Parry Town. So this is a sign saying welcome to Parry Town. Parry Town Primary School on the right. Turn now to Hosanna Estate. This is Beecher Town. Straight up we're going. Hosanna Estate, this way to the open house event. New Hope. Welcome godliness, nothing less. Alright, so that's New Hope up there. It's a good little drive up. Alright, so see the signs here of the open house event happening. I'm gonna try to figure out where to turn for the open house event here at Hosanna Estate. Let's go. This is it. Lovely, lovely units here. Some standalone units. Ongoing on the property. Walk down to you and come back. Now come. So this is the 3-bedroom unit right here.
Primary bedroom, the master with ensuite.
This is the master bedroom in the 3-bedroom unit. Probably this is the one you'd want. This one goes to 255k. That's correct? Starting at 255k.
For the phase 2.
For phase 2. Okay. And again, phase 1 is sold out, right? This is what it looks like. Face basin there. I'm showing you the details of it. Again, it doesn't come furnished. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this.
Alright, the others are waiting for us.
Oh.
Yes.
This is the kitchen area. And a wash area over there. Goes straight into the
These are the secondary
secondary bedrooms.
So this is the smaller of the two.
So this is the smaller one. Nice. Other bedroom. $1,227 square feet of living space. Okay. Nice. Get a shot. All right. This is what it looks like here. Construction ongoing at Hosanna Estate. Phase 1 to be completed by December 2027. Massive construction progress here. You asked for it, so this is what Hosanna Estate looks like. Yes, please. This is the entrance, Hosanna Estate 2-bedroom. This is the living and dining in one. Of 1,001 square foot living space. And this is going for 200, starting from 220,000. Yeah, hope you like it, and very beautiful. I like the layout. They make use of space, the colors again neutral. Nice island. This is quartz countertop, my friend. This is quartz, eh? I think it's quartz. Yes, quartz countertop. And she was telling me about this, you know. Lovely how the place layout and thing. See what the kitchen looks like. Beautiful. And the 5,000 square foot is the starting
Lot size.
lot size.
Between 5,000 and 8,000.
Right, between 5,000 and 8,000. The wash area, I believe, is right here.
Correct.
Yes. And the back door, nice steel door. Well secured. And open this here from the bottom. Beautiful, beautiful. It's pipe for AC, but it doesn't come with AC. It doesn't come with any appliance, right?
No
appliance. Lovely. And this is the bedroom right here. Look at that. Nice lighting. I like this. The fan, it comes with the fan. Lighting going right around. This is what the bathroom looks like. Beautiful. Nice shower. And the toilet right here. Going to your face basin. Nice floating face basin. Showing you the details of it. So this is the 2-bedroom again. The 200, starting from 220K. This is the view from the bedroom here. You can see development ongoing. So it doesn't come with AC. This bathroom serves for the secondary bedroom. This is what it looks like here. Beautiful. Solar panels.
So solar is an option.
So we have the option of going solar at an additional price. Beautiful. All right, so this now is the secondary bedroom. Beautiful. You have the mirror going right around. This is the view of your backyard. Again, starting from 5,000 square feet up. This is what it looks like here on the outside. Again, it's pipe for AC, it doesn't come with AC. Alright. And again, for the open house event, you know, we love how it's organized. Alright, so this is the drive out of Hosanna Estate. Again, it's under construction, still under construction, lots of work left to be done. But we love the open house event that they organize. You know, well organized by the real estate company. Again, if you think this type of living is for you, I mean, it's a lovely gated community. If you stand up at the front and look straight over, you will see a little sea view. You have a little view there.